All right, guys, you can see the concrete pump, concrete trucks, and the concreters are on site. Let's go check it out. So what I thought I might start with is just explain how we actually get the concrete to the site. So I'll head over here, I'll flip the camera, let's go check it out. So first things first, guys, you can see the concrete comes delivered on site. It's mixed in the truck as it gets driven to site. You can see it's still spinning, so the truck will back up, drop it in the back of the concrete pump. And here we have a big boom pump set up. How cool is that, guys? Awesome. Look at this, sunrise in the background over there. Beautiful day to pour a slab. So then what happens, the concrete comes up through the boom pump and down in there for the concreters to spread it out as they go. Now you can see here, this is where the drop edge beam is, so the brickwork will start down there and the frame will start above that section right there. And over there, that is actually a drop down for the wet areas. So you see the 4 pipes in there? That's probably going to be a bathroom, which we've actually allowed it to drop down. So when the floor tiles get installed, it's actually all nice and level. And then we also have the power there, all done into the slab before the slab's been poured. Alright, so moving down here, showing you guys a little bit of the formwork setup. So you can see here we have some deep and drop edge beams. Got a few videos on those there. So once again, the bricks will start down the bottom here, and then the frame will sit on top up there. Also too, we have the steel, the chairs, and the waffle pods. So this is a waffle pod designed slab. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's site visit. If you know anyone who wants to have a look at the slab being poured and get a little bit better of an understanding of the components and how the concrete gets into your new home, tag them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on an upcoming site visit. Thanks for watching. Bye.